Right, back for some more product review here on Hagen Surf Protection. As always, I'm Luke Hagen. This is me, full-time boat, auto, RV detailer in Santa Cruz, California, central-ish California, right below San Francisco. Okay, today you can see we're working on this Rock Harbor 25-footer. It's not much oxidation, so I can use my current favorite all-in-one. That is Smoove. I'm pretty sure it's Smoove. This is some pretty awesome stuff. It's a all-in-one micro polish, high gloss polymer base, so that's good. That means it's going to be a synthetic sealant, which is what you want. You don't want to be using any. I don't use any Carnauba wax-based products at all. They don't have durability or provide like quality protection. So everything I'm using is either going to be polymer sealant or ceramic coating. That's just the way I choose to do it. So this is polymer sealant with some abrasive in it. Has some pretty good cut, like surprisingly good cut, and it leaves really shiny glossy surface, and it's super slick, like really slick, like bead maker slick. I'm not really sure what's in here, but it's good. And fortunately, I don't like that it's pink and it's supposed to smell like bubblegum. It smells horrible, but I'm kind of used to it, and you should be wearing a mask these days anyway due to the pandemic. So anyway, I'll leave links to this. Last time I checked, if you want to buy it by the gallon, you have to buy it on their website, which is smoovewax.com. I'll leave a link. But Amazon sells it in a 32 ouncer. So I buy it in the gallon and I put it in my own bottle, because this is what I do every day of the week. So I always use a Rotary. You can use DA if you want, up to you. I like to put it on with foam. This is an orange foam pad, so I like orange foam or yellow Rupes foam because of the density. And to clean this pad, brush from the dollar store, and I just run it like you would normally, and this gets rid of the excess on the pad. So we'll work this spot right here. It's about the best angle I could get. It's cool, it'll work. Okay, so the pad's kind of primed already, so I don't know, just depends on how big a size you're doing. This stuff goes pretty far, so I'll be able to do this whole section, and then you can go over the decals and everything. The one thing about that it's pink that you got to watch out for is it will turn like white caulking pink, and if it gets in the screws, like you'll see it because it's pink. And watch out for plastics and dark black plastic, because the abrasive in there will stain it white. Always when I'm polishing on a boat, speed one with Rotary. It's just my preference. I think it gives a better finish. So it's just like using a cleaner wax, if that's what you're familiar with. If you do use cleaner wax, throw it away and go get this. Spread it out. Should all know how to do this already. I always use trigger lock, so I can change my hands any way I want. This cuts fast, eases up quick, easy removal. That's why I use Rotary to cut in around things, and there's not much vibration. I don't mind using DA, but if I can use the Rotary, I'm going to use the Rotary. Okay, so we'll work this section out. Pretty basic stuff. If you do it with a rotary, like, it hazes up quick, so that's cool. I take it off like now because it's ready. You can see like the dust on your hand. You can do a whole section and come back and take it off later if you want. Up to you. Personal preference on that one. Really easy removal. That's it. Hopefully you can see, you look through the viewfinder. Hopefully you can see the difference. Here, let me pull you off. There we go. Hopefully you can see there's definitely a line there where the buffer was. So oxidation, it was, I don't know, that was pretty light. But look at look how shiny that is. It is so slick. It's crazy. Super slick. So I'll just keep going. And then I already did this part of the hole down here. You can see how rad that looks compared to how it was. If you want to see how it was, just look at my CSI rip cut compound. Like, I just shot that like an hour ago, and I did the blue strip with compound, and then I came back the other way with just this, and it did super awesome. There's a close-up, a label on viewfinder. So Smoove. This guy's in Florida, I believe. That's where it comes from, at least when I order it. It's really good. Definitely my go-to all-in-one for gel coat. So awesome, awesome, awesome. If you're using cleaner wax, throw it in the garbage and buy this. So that's it. So it's rad stuff. I'll leave links, like I said. It's good. If you're just doing regular maintenance on your own boat, that's what you want. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Cool. Thanks. Bye.